It's sometimes said that Jupiter nearly became a star, but that's a bit of an exaggeration. It would have needed a lot more mass. To turn Jupiter into a star, just follow these easy steps. First, grab a carton of a dozen Jupiters and slowly mix them into the planet you want to be a star. Don't be alarmed if your planet doesn't grow in size, or even shrinks slightly. Planets don't get much wider than Jupiter and just get denser the more massive they are. Congratulations! Jupiter is now something called a brown dwarf. Brown dwarfs sit between planets and stars. They can fuse certain uncommon isotopes of atoms together, but aren't heavy enough to fuse regular hydrogen into helium. The heat that they generate isn't enough to keep them warm, and they'll cool from an orange glow when they're freshly made to a dim red glow after a few million years. To be a true star, we're going to need more mass. Mix in another 65 Jupiters. You can substitute 3 Saturns, 19 Neptunes, or 318 Earths if you're running low on Jupiters. Jupiter will continue to shrink, but once you've added the last few planets, voila! Now hydrogen is fusing into helium in its core, and you've made yourself a star. A very low mass red dwarf star that's only 1700 degrees Celsius and 1,000,000 times dimmer than the sun to the naked eye. To get it as bright as the sun, you're going to need another 1,000 Jupiters.